How to log in your Linksys router admin panel. Need to tweak your Wi-Fi settings, update the firmware, or set up parental controls on your Linksys router? The first step is getting into the router's admin panel. In this video, we'll show you the simple steps to successfully log in to your Linksys router's configuration page. Let's get started. One of the common ways to log into Linksys router's interface is via web browser on a device connected to your router network. Apply these steps to reach the login page of the Linksys interface and access it properly. First, connect computer to your Linksys router's network. Then, open your favorite web browser. In the address bar at the top of the browser window, you'll need to type in the router's IP address. The default IP address for most Linksys routers is either 192.168.1.1. Then press Enter. A Linksys login page will display on the screen of the computer. Enter the admin login password to access interface. If you haven't changed your router's admin username and password, use the default one. Username, admin, and password, admin. By using them you will get the interface access and can change the device settings and features. If the default credentials don't work, it means you or someone who previously set up the router has changed them. In the situation of forgotten password, you need to reset Linksys router to its factory defaults. Now we end this setup video guide. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for new tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.